Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Looking for the perfect house to get away from the hustle and bustle of the town? Then this is the perfect home for you. This home comes with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and is filled with modern furnitures, including your own gym, water heater, water tank, standby generator, jacuzzi, and so many other private amenities. Just relax in your own space and enjoy the scenery and the birds chirping. Not to mention a dog kennel, private garden area, and backyard garden with fruit trees all sitting on quarter acre. Come home to the quiet and family-oriented neighborhood of Kellits, Clarendon, home to returning residents and quiet family living. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.